Hi, welcome to the Hard Reset Infocast channel. In today's video, I will show you the basic management and service of the MG3 Hybrid Plus. I invite you to watch the video. First, let's look under the hood. If you look over on the left side of the engine bay, you can easily locate a few key maintenance points. You will find the air filter housing, the reservoir for your windshield washer fluid, and the oil dipstick for checking your oil levels. The brake fluid reservoir. Located right here in the engine bay, we have two separate coolant reservoirs, and if you look just a little bit further over to the side, you will also find the main fuse box. Here we have the electric motor, and here the combustion engine, used mainly to charge the electric motor. Under the hood we can directly find a sticker, thanks to which we can learn that this car uses HFC 1234 YF refrigerant for the air conditioning, and also that the system takes approximately 520 grams. If you look behind the driver's side door, you will find a small sticker that provides essential information. From this label, you can easily learn exactly what the correct wheel size is for your vehicle, as well as the manufacturer's recommended tire pressure levels. Moving on to the interior, if you need to open the hood or the fuel filler cap, you simply need to locate and press the specific levers conveniently positioned under the dashboard. Behind the fuel filler flap, we can check what fuel this car uses. In this case, it is E5 or E10 gasoline. As for additional information, since this car is mainly electric, likewise, opening the trunk lid is electric. In the event that the vehicle's battery completely runs out of power, you can still manually open the trunk lid in an emergency situation. Simply remove this small cover and then use a flathead screwdriver to release the latch mechanism inside hookage. Additionally, please be aware that this car is also fully equipped with a convenient child lock function for your safety. For the doors and for the windows. And that's basically it. Remember to service your car regularly, every year or every 12 to 15,000 kilometers to keep it in good condition. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe and a comment.